Mastering compliance requirements. Your organization's survival hinges on one crucial question: comply or collapse. Which specific regulatory requirements must our organization adhere to in order to ensure compliance with the current laws and standards that govern its operations? Implementing and maintaining operational excellence is crucial for organizations to ensure compliance with the current laws and standards that govern their operations. To achieve this, organizations must identify and adhere to specific regulatory requirements that apply to their industry, sector, or geographic location. Here is a comprehensive solution to ensure operational excellence and compliance. 1. Identify relevant regulatory requirements. Conduct a thorough review of applicable laws, regulations, and standards that govern the organization's operations. This includes federal, state, and local laws, as well as industry-specific regulations and international standards. Examples of relevant regulatory requirements include Financial Institutions, Dodd-Frank Act, Bank Secrecy Act, Anti-Money Laundering, AML, and Combating the Financing of Terrorism, CFT, regulations. Healthcare Organizations, Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, HIPAA, Patient Protection and Affordable Care Act, ACA. Manufacturing and Industry, Occupational Safety and Health Administration, OSHA, regulations, Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, regulations. Educational Institutions, Family Educational Rights and Privacy Act, FERPA, Gramm-Leach-Bliley Act, GLBA. 2. Establish a compliance framework. Develop a comprehensive compliance framework that outlines the organization's approach to compliance, including policies, procedures, and controls. The framework should define roles and responsibilities for compliance management. Establish a compliance risk management process. Identify key performance indicators, KPIs, and metrics to measure compliance. Provide training and awareness programs for employees. 3. Implement compliance management systems. Develop and implement compliance management systems to support the compliance framework. This includes compliance software and tools to track and manage compliance requirements, risk management systems to identify, assess, and mitigate compliance risks, automated workflows and approval processes to ensure adherence to compliance policies and procedures. 4. Conduct regular compliance audits and assessments. Perform regular compliance audits and assessments to identify areas of non-compliance and opportunities for improvement. This includes internal audits and self-assessments, external audits and third-party reviews, compliance testing and validation of controls. 5. Develop a culture of compliance. Foster a culture of compliance within the organization by promoting awareness, accountability, and transparency. This includes providing compliance training and awareness programs for employees, encouraging open communication and reporting of compliance concerns, recognizing and rewarding compliant behavior. 6. Continuously monitor and update compliance requirements. Stay up to date with changing regulatory requirements and industry standards. This includes monitoring regulatory updates and news, participating in industry forums and conferences, collaborating with peers and subject matter experts. 7. Maintain accurate records and documentation. Maintain accurate and complete records and documentation of compliance activities, including compliance policies and procedures, training records and certifications, audit and assessment reports, compliance testing and validation results. 8. Establish a compliance committee. Establish a compliance committee to oversee and manage compliance activities. The committee should provide strategic direction and oversight for compliance, review and approve compliance policies and procedures, monitor compliance performance and metrics. 9. Provide resources and budget. Allocate sufficient resources and budget to support compliance activities, including hiring compliance professionals and subject matter experts, investing in compliance software and tools, funding compliance training and awareness programs. 10. Continuously evaluate and improve. Continuously evaluate and improve the organization's compliance program, including conducting regular compliance program evaluations, identifying areas for improvement and implementing corrective actions, recognizing and addressing emerging compliance risks and trends. By implementing these measures, organizations can ensure operational excellence and compliance with the current laws and standards that govern their operations.